Daily crypto market analytics, welcome back. I'm pretty excited today to see the market in general, but most importantly the Bitcoin, as I have a decent sized position right now and I keep increasing it. I just did, and it's really nice to see what's going on from a technical point of view, because as price was dipping and seemingly breaking the mid-low key level that was so important for us, right? That was our main point of reference. Now I'm talking about the black key level here, 38.40 actually, 38.40, 39.9. And we talked about that key level. It was holding very nicely up until 2 days ago, right? Now I did say that this level should hold from the weekly perspective. I mean, having this lovely reaction coming from the daily chart, that was nice, but it was still a weak technical element because the crypto market seems to be ignoring pretty much the daily close. It has lots of respect to the weekly close and above all the monthly close. So I wasn't too worried about that fact that price was breaking 2 days ago, breaking below that 38.39 just from the daily close. And I also noticed that price was actually building up a very tight and local trading range that I was able to pinpoint here with my blue setup, right? And this actually is it's more of a 4-hour trading range. Take a look. I think this is the count. We had the first, second, third, fourth, and right now the fifth. Now the fifth could be, it has lots of potential to be the last one and the one to reverse the whole formation. Don't forget, we came from above. And as we came from above, I would like to remind you, when we were on the upside and we were about to approach the higher section of the setup, the big one, mid-low key level, and the minimum level was 42.82, we actually missed that by a very, very small margin, but still, that was definitely a miss. So when price was on the downside, and it went strongly to the downside in a few days, I still thought to myself that that's probably just a technical downside correction because price did not reach the very minimum level it should have been reaching, right? So as it was starting to, as that downside move started to bottom out by forming this, local trading range that we were just talking about, it seems to me that it's more likely that right now, when we're building up that fifth leg, this could be the last one. It could be the one to break the top resistance here, 39.90. That's a very important step for us to gain a lot more confidence with the fact that that was just a downside technical correction and it's over and we're back on the upside. Now, let me show you the bigger picture. This is what we should be focusing on, right? Like I said, the crypto market gives lots of respect to the weekly close and not so much the daily close. However, you can see here that the same level I was talking about, still our main point of reference here, 38.39, 38.40, was broken for the first time 2 weeks ago. Pretty tight actually. Price was closing on 38.69, right? That was close. However, take a look at what happened the following week as price was trying to challenge that level from above and ending up yet again just above it. And you can actually see even this week there was another attempt on the downside, also seems to be failing, and price is gaining some positive momentum again. And this is pretty strong stuff. I think the market, the Bitcoin here trying to show us that it has a lot of respect to this key level as a support, and it's probably going to continue pushing forward towards the higher section that it just missed a couple of weeks ago, right? That's the spike that missed that higher section. So I expect the Bitcoin not only to hit that 42.82 at some point, but later on even push into that higher section, taking the previous highs, guys, which is around 44.50. So this is probably my final destination, 44.50. I will try to push all the way through, but my main price target is at 42.82. So let's see how that goes. That's about that for the Bitcoin. See you in the next one.